Hello, boys and girls. We are on going through the series on percentages. We are on the final video on percentages. Again, taken from 11 Plus Maths Guide, available from Amazon.com or LifeChangeTuition.com. You can purchase it from there. So let's go on to the final topic, percentages. So the final topic is reverse percentage. Reverse percentage. So before we start reverse percentage, let's quickly remind something we'll have to use called a fraction of original quantity. So if you remember this, 3/4 of something equals 12. How do you do that? You divide by the bottom times by the top. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So with that, if you're not sure, go back to the videos on fractions. Okay, now sometimes you get a question. We have to find the original amount. 3/4 of something equals 9. How do we do that? Well, we do the opposite. Instead of timesing by the bottom and divided by the top, we divide by the top and times by the bottom. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. So that equals, so that box here, so you put 12 there. Okay, so hopefully you remember all of that. We're going to need that to do this reverse percentage. So what is reverse percentage? Reverse percentage is when 10% of something equals, you know the answer, 90. You don't know what that something is. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, all we got to do is turn that 10%. So doing this question here, and that something is a question mark. Okay, 10% of something. So to put it as a fraction first, 10% of 10% equals 10 over 100 of this black here equals 90. And then we go back to what we did before. We divide by the top and times answer by the bottom. So 90 divided by 10 equals 9. And then times the 9 by the bottom number 100, which is 900. So the answer is 900. So this should be 900. I think the book has a wrong calculation here. So 10% of something is 90. So you did 90 times 1,000 times 100. Now it says it's 9,000, but it should be 9,000. It says 90,000. It should be 9,000, and 9,000 divided by 10 should be 900. So let's book in them. So we'll get them. We'll ask the publisher to change it to the next edition. So that's wrong here. But follow this, and you should be fine. And that completes our series on reverse percentage as well as percentages in general. So the 5 topics, which is find percentage of amount, decimals and percentages, fractions and percentage, decimal increase and decrease, and last one reverse percentage. Okay, we'll see you in the next video series.